Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we have this question right here. 2 to the power 20 minus 1. We want to evaluate this without using calculator. Before we start, pause the video, give it a try first, and if you are done, you can come back to the video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. In fact, the very first thing I want to do is that I want to rewrite this in different form. I'll write it as 2 to the power 10, then all to the power 2, simply because we know that if we have a to the power m or to the power n, this is the same as a to the power m times n. So if we multiply this by that, we still be getting this back. So we have done nothing to this. Cool. Then we have -1. Now, this is difference of two squares because 1 could be written as 1 squared and it doesn't change the 1. So difference of two squares. And we can actually rewrite this as 2 to the power 10 plus 1, and this is multiplying 2 to the power 10 minus 1. If you have forgotten difference of two squares, it's just like this. A squared minus b squared, this is the same as a plus b times a minus b. So the same thing right here. Great. Now 2 to the power 10, in fact, exponent is all about repeated multiplication. So this basically means that we are multiplying 2 by itself 10 times. And if you do this, we are going to get 1024. That is 2 to the power 10, then plus this one right here. Then the whole of this is multiplying. This is also 1024, then minus 1. Great. Everything in the parentheses right here will give us 1025. And this is multiplying. Everything right here will be 1023. Now don't forget that we are not using calculator, and these two numbers are very huge to multiply. So what I will basically do is that I'll rewrite this as 1000 plus 25, which is the same as this right here. Then times this, I'm going to also write it as 1000 plus 23. And this is a little bit easier to multiply. Remember, we can use the idea of FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. So I'll just take this one, multiply by every term right here. And then after that, I'll take this, multiply. So we have 1000 times 1000, that is going to be 1 million. Then 1000 times 23, that is going to be 23,000. Great. So we are done distributing this. Let's take this one. 25 times 1000, that is 25,000. Then 25 times 23. Let's do the math. 25 times 23. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to write 5, remainder 1, 3, 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 2, 5, 10. I'm going to write 0, remainder 1 again. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So we are going to have 5, 7, 5. So everything is going to give us 5, 7, 5. And this is what we have for now. It seems it's difficult to add them, but don't worry, let's do it this way. I'm going to arrange them. I'll write 1 million first, then followed by 23,000. So these are the 3 zeros, then 23. Then next we have 25,000. So 25000. Then lastly we have 575. And we are going to add this. Everything right here will give me 5. Everything right here will give me 7. Everything here will give me 5. Then we have 3 plus 5, which is 8. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. We have this 0 right there. And then we have this 1. And that is pretty much it. So 2 to the power 20 minus 1 is giving us this huge value. So guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.